Looking for answers about your RV steering, suspension, or handling? You've come to the right place.
Welcome to SuperSteer, a division of Henderson's lineup. Since 1961, we've been helping RV owners just like you enjoy safer and happier driving.
Whether you're trying to solve a steering problem, upgrade your suspension, or simply become a more informed RV owner, this channel is here to help.
And if you're just getting started in RVing, or even if you have experience, we invite you to check out our new Intro to Steering and Suspension course. It's a perfect place to start and begin.
We've also organized our videos into playlist-based chassis types, like the Class C Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Freightliner Super Cs, Ford motorhomes like the F53 and the Ford E350 and E450, and many more. We want to make it easy to find exactly what you're looking for.
Yep, and every Tuesday we upload a new Tech Time video where our technicians answer questions and share practical information every RV owner just like you needs to know.
On Feature Friday, I'll take you behind the scenes here at our company, where you'll meet the team, see what we're working on, and explore everything from new products to fun RV-related topics.
And don't miss the voice of the customer, where real RV owners just like you share their experiences and the improvements their RVs made at our shop right here in Grants Pass, Oregon.
So take a look around, explore the channel, and if you enjoy what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button.
Welcome to the family, and as always we say around here, we wish you safer and happier driving. We've been helping people and
Come on! It's your script!
I know, I'm sorry.
The F53 and the Ford E350. Oh, start that part over.
Sure. Yeah, now I don't get some
No.
bad. Where we have our technicians answer questions that you submit. This going in the bloopers. Kieran, you thought you did that?
We want it to... Oh. Third time's a charm.
Yeah.
Okay.
End.